Prove just launched and a lot of investors are going hard on it because it's a new project with real utility and experienced team backing. Launched and listed on the 5th of August, 2025, Succinct has increased to about 30% and it is trading at about $1.20. According to CoinMarketCap, this project trading volume is up to about 30,000%. Well, the main events around Prove in the past 24 hours seem to be exchange listings. Multiple exchanges like BitGet, Binance, Upbit, and Coinbase have listed Prove. For example, BitGet started trading Prove/USDT on August 5th, and Binance had a hodler airdrop campaign. Also, there's the mainnet launch of the Succinct Prover network on August 5th. Mainnet launches are often bullish events because they mark the transition from testnet to a live network showing project maturity. The network's support for over 35 protocols and $4 billion in secured value adds credibility, which might attract investors. Another factor could be the airdrop campaigns. Binance distributed 15 million Prove tokens to BNB stackers. Airdrops can create buying pressure as recipients might hold onto the tokens anticipating future value. However, there's also a risk of sell pressure if recipients cash out quickly, but the current price increase suggests the former is happening. Looking at the market context, the overall crypto market cap is down slightly, minus 0.57% in 24 hours, but Prove is outperforming. This indicates that the price movement is coin-specific rather than market-wide. The fear and greed index is neutral, so general sentiment isn't driving this. Volume data shows a 24H trading volume of over $1.2 billion for Prove, which is a 29,578% increase. Such a massive spike in volume usually accompanies major news, confirming that the listings and mainnet launch are key drivers. I need to ensure that the technical analysis tools didn't provide conflicting signals, but the moving averages and other indicators were all at zero, so no conflicting signals there. In conclusion, the primary drivers are the exchange listings increasing accessibility and liquidity, the mainnet launch boosting credibility, and the airdrop creating initial demand.
What the hell is Succinct and why is it a game changer for ZK Tech? Rollups, bridges, AI workloads, they all claim their outputs are correct. But how do you actually know? You don't. Take rollups. They process transactions off-chain, batch the results, and send a single output to Ethereum saying, here's what happened, trust me, bro. But Ethereum doesn't check if it's correct, it just accepts the result. And if that output is wrong, your funds could be gone. Zero-knowledge proofs fix this. They're cryptographic receipts that prove this computation happened exactly as claimed. And anyone can verify them instantly without rerunning the program or trusting the prover. But building with ZK is a nightmare. You spend years learning cryptography, hiring PhD-level engineers, and building custom circuits you can't reuse. Most teams burn through their budget before they even ship. Succinct changes that. Their zkVM, SP1, lets you write provable code in Rust. No cryptography or custom languages needed. Then a decentralized network of provers. Anyone with GPUs worldwide competes to generate your proof. Verification is instant on Ethereum. For the first time, developers can integrate ZK proofs everywhere using maintainable, production-grade software without specialized teams. And it's already powering production. Mantle, Polygon AgLayer, Lido, Celestia. Some of the biggest rollups, bridges, and oracles are using SP1 for ZK proofs. Succinct's mission is simple. Prove the world's software with zero-knowledge proofs, and that's why it's such a big deal.
We've heard this story before. Humans will never fly. Cartoons are passing fad. Video games are just a craze. Computers don't belong in homes. Email will never replace the post. A machine will never beat a grandmaster. Buying through a screen is absurd. No one will share their life online. Streaming services will never catch on. A machine will never create art. Starting to get the picture? Remember when they said, internet money is just a bubble. Ethereum won't scale. ZK is boring. No one gives a shit about privacy. The Prover network is just a white paper. There will never be a good ZK token. Do you really want to bet against us? Prove them wrong. 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 Prove them f***ing wrong.
Rồi, chị cất tập hồ sơ để vào chỗ cũ đi. Bánh máy nhá.